What is the process of bringing a personal injury claim? I'm Tom Friedman, I'm a lawyer in Nevada, and the first thing you need to bring a personal injury claim is an injury. That means if your feelings were hurt, if you lost money, you may or may not have some sort of a claim, but it's not a personal injury claim. If you're bringing a personal injury claim, unfortunately, it needs to start with an injury. The second thing you need is to go gather up your evidence, photos, videos, police reports, incident reports, anything like that. Additionally, you're going to need medical records. So if there's an injury, there needs to be medical treatment. So you go get all the records for the medical treatment that was incurred as a result of the injury. Now, whether or not the injured person has an attorney, the third step's generally going to be bringing all of that evidence and giving it to the insurance company that insures the at-fault party. The insurance company needs to look at two things. First, they need to look at liability, which means who is at fault. And if the person they insure is at fault, the liability part is taken care of. The second thing they look at is what are the damages. And the damages are made up of things like past medical bills, possibly future medical bills, lost earnings, pain and suffering, things like that. So when they have the information they need, they know liability is done, and they know what the damages are, that's usually the time when the parties get together and they try to negotiate a settlement. And if that works, fantastic, the case is done. If it doesn't work, then there's a couple other things that can happen. First thing is the injured party may themselves, or generally they hire a lawyer, they'll file a lawsuit. And you've got 2 years in the state of Nevada to file a lawsuit. If you wait 2 years and 1 day, your claim is gone, no matter how liable the other party is, no matter how big your injuries are, there's no lawsuit. You waited too long. So you've got to bring that lawsuit within 2 years. The second thing that can happen is the parties can go to mediation. And I'll discuss mediation in another video, but mediation is another way to try to resolve the differences between the injured party and the at-fault party. I'm going to make a separate video about what happens once a lawsuit is filed, but if you have any questions regarding the process of bringing a personal injury claim, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or leave a comment below. Thanks very much for watching.